Alright, John Deere Gator. Took out this old crappy Kawasaki motor with a hole in it and installed this Honda in its place with a little massaging and condensing and electric start, factory muffler, building the bracketry right now. Just like that. Belt goes right there. Modified clutch. Good to go. That's what we do.
Like I said, it was running perfect on Wednesday. It started up fine today. Started running rough and then it quit. And now it won't start. Is there some kind of electric component that might be doing this or something? Put a little ether up in the breather and it backfired, but it didn't start. It acts like it wants to start. That's all I get. So I don't know what in the world's going on.
There's all hooked up. There's a red one. There's a black one. What are those things? Like a fuse?